Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. I will start with this daily chart because this is a big picture, a chart here, believe it or not. It's only daily, but it is 174.58, a descending channel top, descending flag oftentimes referred to at the top of a move that, if or once settled above, does signal bull trend resumption. And that is what we've been mentioning now for the last better part of 2 weeks. After closing above the 174.58 formation, and that was a week ago last Monday, yes, we broke below it on an intraday basis, but we never closed back below it, which maintained it as a support area, able to contain not only daily, weekly, but even monthly selling pressures through October, and above which, holding above 174.58, we do maintain a 2 to 3 month upside objective at 219.64. Market is beginning to pull away, but is only testing, I should say retesting, this rising channel top at 187.88, which we tested again on Tuesday. We tested it a week ago Monday when we had that big rally, and it held. And then we fell away, retested this descending channel top, which is the more significant of the two and still is. 187.88 can contain daily buying pressures. And when you have a session containment level, it also could potentially contain more than a day. You never really know. It is a subjective call. I just keep it light here at 187.88 because I don't want to encourage heavy selling in this region. We are, after all, at new all-time highs, bumping our head, so to speak, into this rising. This is like almost a 1 month channel top that may contain buying through the rest of the week. We could potentially fall back to 180.26 intraday. It can contain selling possibly for the balance of the day. And if settled below 180.26, we then retest tomorrow 174.58. But the settlement above 174.58 was a meaningful longer-term buy signal, 3 to 5 weeks out to 2 to 3 months, expecting 219.64. And so closing above 187.88 is considered an eventuality, and if today should provide that pull-away factor to the upside, 192.28 is potentially in reach today if we push or open above 187.88. And if we close above 187.88, that is really the final buy signal you need as we continue into later October.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and Nvidia, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
That 219.64 level is right around where this blue line is here to the upside. And so closing above 187.88, I could see a 3 to 5 week rally perhaps to the 219.64 area, which remains a 2 to 3 month target anyway above 174.58. So once again, closing above 187.88, no good reason to be short Nvidia. If you did sell 187.88, you want to not only stop out, but even reverse and go long as we move through the rest of the week and even through the rest of October. Until then, if you're not long now, then you really do need to wait for either a settlement above 187.88 or potential retracement back into the 174 handle support, which could be considered a 3 to 5 day possibility. I'll put it that way. I don't have it as an objective, but it is a possibility below 187.88. And I say that because of the buy signal that still exists above 174.58, bullish momentum building, and will build indeed as we continue into later October with a settlement above 187.88. Once again, if we happen to close today below 180.26, I would expect probably tomorrow with present volatility, the 174.51 to 174.58 area where we could bottom out through next week and even through October and round up again. Round up back to the 187.88 channel top within a week, 2 at the most, and on to new highs, on to beyond the 187.88 formation to 219.64 over the next 2 to 3 months. If in the coming week we were to close below 174.51, I would then expect the 165.59 formation. So it is very stair-step. There is no sort of swinging for the fences right now in terms of a short sale. That would come with a settlement below 165.59. And then we're just looking at 2 to 3 weeks back to 148.83. So it is settlement below 174.51, signals 165.59 within 1 to 2 weeks, where we could bottom out through the rest of October. And if we close below 165.59, then we test 148.83 within 2 to 3 weeks, where we actually could bottom out into the first quarter of next year, as this is a one-year channel structure that can contain selling on a quarterly basis and onward and upward to new highs. But that scenario, not likely, given the fact that we are above 174.58 and likely to continue higher into later October. And last time I'm going to say it is if we close today above 187.88, that is the final shoe to drop, in my opinion, on meaningful upward continuation into later October, into November, December, 219.64 in reach, possibly within 3 to 5 weeks of closing above 187.88. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Thursday's NVIDIA report, and you have a great day.